Hi you guys. All right, so I'm here. I want to take a quick moment and talk to you guys all about these lash clusters. So I just got them in and so figured I would go ahead and just put them on. I just got out of the shower, and so one of the things that I really like with doing lash clusters, I like putting them on kind of earlier in the day, so that way it really has time to set throughout the day before you go to bed at night. So this is how it comes. I do like how it comes because you literally just pull this out. All right. It does tell you also on the back how to use it. All right. And so you do want to make sure that you have all the other pieces that you would need. So I do have my bond and my lock, and then also my remover as well, and then a pair of tweezers. So you do want to make sure you have all those. But these are all the lash clusters. So you have different sizes. You have 16 all the way down to 10. So depending on the map and depending on what you want to do. So for me, I'm just kind of doing more of a casual. So I might kind of even start with like the 14, probably a 14, 14, 12, and a 10. But if you're going for more extreme, 16 is a great one to be able to start with, or kind of going on up. But it is nice because you're going to be able to grab them and really kind of make them how you want them. All right, so all we're going to do is I'm first going to do my lashes here. Okay, so I'm just going to take the bond and I'm just going to get them kind of more at the base here. Get it on nice and good. All right. And then, like I said, I'm going to start with a 14. So I'm just going to take my tweezers and just grab it here. All right. So just so you can kind of see what it looks like. And then one thing that I do is I do add, kind of get that wet a little bit. I do add the bond right to this. So I love doing these because they last for more than just one day. So I absolutely love that because that way you don't have to worry about like doing your eye makeup all the time. So I love doing these. Okay. Oh, these 14s are nice and big too. All right. And then what you're going to do is you're just going to take it and just kind of get it right there. You don't want it on your lash line. Oh, you guys. Oh my gosh. That is so pretty. I love clusters. Okay. I'm going to kind of keep working. Look at them. Aren't they adorable? I really like them. Okay, and then I'm going in with the lock, which will help kind of with the stickiness here. I really, really like these. I feel like the mapping that I did is, you can tell that I have them. It's not too extreme. I feel like it's absolutely perfect. So I did two 14s, I did a 12, and I did a 10. And you guys, look at that. Let me get kind of the glue that I have up there off. Oh my gosh, I cannot wait to put on some makeup. But look at that. Like, can you imagine waking up and like already having like your eyelashes done? So I'm gonna go ahead and do the other side. All right, so just did the other one. And again, I did the same mapping, two 14s, a 12, and a 10. And so just kind of got them on there. So after you do that, you do wanna make sure you like pinch them together. So that way your lashes and those lashes kind of like mix. All right, finished product. You guys, look at that. Like, lashes are underneath. You can't even tell on the top, but overall highly satisfied and definitely gotta get these clusters.